Okay, that's my 50-yard target. I'm going to try to hit a peach or two, maybe. I'm shooting at the one on the left with crazy wind blowing. That's a miss. This might be a long video in this wind. If you look at the wind flag, it's going crazy. Oh, it's calmed down. That's a hit. Kind of stretching my camera here a bit. I should have put it on a tripod, but here's peach number 2 in the middle. Oh, a little to the right. This is with my Benjamin Discovery Mach 1 version. That must have been a pretty green one. It was a hit, but it didn't explode. Now we have another reactionary target coming out here. It's a chicken. Another shot at the middle one. Blowing right to left, I'll aim to the right corner. Oh. One more victim remaining. Well, looks like he needs another whack. These peaches have hit the ground, so they make really good reactionary targets. And this is at 50 yards. Another small hit. Caught the top right corner of it. Wow. The wind is blowing about 30 miles an hour right now. You can probably hear it in the microphone. Aim a little low because I'm shooting downhill. That's a hit. And that's a wrap. Fuck with you, rooster. You hauled ass, didn't you?